Hey guys, welcome back to my channel all about. If you are ready to dive into the wonderful world of drawing but don't want to snooze through the basics, you are in the right place. First up, let's talk about doodle. Forget about trying to make a masterpiece right away. Grab your sketchbook and just start doodling. Draw whatever pops into your mind. Silly monsters, funny shapes, or even your cat doing yoga. Remember, the goal is to get comfortable with your pens. Now let's play a little game called Draw What You See. Pick 3 random objects from your surroundings, maybe a coffee mug, a plant, or that little statue that you have. Set a timer for 2 minutes for each object and sketch them quickly. The catch: no erasing, just go with the flow and see what happens. So before you doodle, here are some key tips to keep in mind while you doodle. First is, start simple. Don't worry about making it perfect. Start with basic shapes, circles, lines, or squares. Let your hand move freely. Let your mind wander. Doodling is all about free expression. If you get an idea, go with it. Let your thoughts guide your hand. Use different tools. Experiment with different pens, pencils, or even digital tools. Each medium brings out a different style. Incorporate patterns. Try adding patterns or textures to your doodles. They can make your art more interesting and visually appealing. Set a timer. Challenge yourself. Set a timer for 5 or 10 minutes and see what you can create. It's a fun way to push your creativity. Next is practice regularly. The more you doodle, the better you will get. So make it a daily habit, even if it's just for a few minutes. Did you know that there are some benefits of doodling? Yes. Interestingly, doodling can aid memory retention. It helps you recall information better, making it a great tool for students. Doodling is a fantastic way to express yourself. It allows you to convey emotions and ideas that words might not capture. Engaging in doodling can be a great stress reliever. It's meditative and can help calm your mind after a long day. So there you have it. Learning to draw does not have to be boring at all. Whether you are doodling or going wild with your color, the key is to keep it fun and playful. If you create something fabulous or fabulously ridiculous, share it in the comment section. I can't wait to see your masterpiece.